Hello all, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems related to mathematical simplification. We shall check the concepts and formula. The first one is BODMAS rule. This rule depicts the correct sequence in which operations are to be executed so that we can find out the value for a given expression. Here, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So whenever an expression is given, we have to go in this order. The first one is solving the brackets. In simplifying an expression, first of all the brackets must be removed. That also in this following order. That is starting with round bracket or parenthesis, next is curly brackets, and next one is square brackets. So after removing the brackets, we must use the following operations strictly in the order of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Next, now we can see vernaculum or vinculum or bar. Here, when an expression contains vernaculum or vinculum, before applying the BODMAS rule, we have to simplify the expression under the vernaculum. For example, when an expression like a plus b bar into c indicates that a plus b is to be computed first and then only you have to multiply with c. So this is the first expression which you have to solve. Next is modulus of a real number. Modulus of a real number is the non-negative value or absolute value of a number without regards to its sign. It applies to all real numbers. For example, mod 5 is equal to 5, also mod minus 5 is equal to 5, and similarly mod minus 3.25 is equal to 3.25. So it always gives the positive value of the number. Next, we shall revise some important formula. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, a minus b whole square. Next is a plus b whole cube. This is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You can expand this term and write. Next is a plus b plus c whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. We can remember this formula so that we can directly solve some problems when it is given in this format. Okay. We shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.